so you need to go high. Okay, so high and open and close. That's once. We do 8 of them. Go as high as possible. Okay, you can hold the bar to do it. You can without bar to do it. Doesn't matter. I want you safe. Okay. If you jump on the yoga mat, I'm afraid of slip away. So hold the bar will be better. Okay, so let's do it. Okay. So A jump as high as you can. Middle jump. Okay. Ready? And go. 1. Good. 2nd. And 3rd. Big. High. Okay. Relax a little. I need high. I need power. Your plie stay too long. It's not good. Okay. Make the plie deep and short pulling up. I want to see erupt. I want to build up or erupt right muscle of your leg. Ready? One last time. Okay. And go up. Good girls. One last jump we finish. Okay, watch me. You just hold the bar inside like front. You do ground day jump. 1 you hold 2. 3 you hold 4. Continue jump and jump. Continue jump and jump. 1 jump, 1 can hold. 1 jump, 1 can hold. Just front and back. Yes? Okay, we do 16 of them. Ready? Everybody, come on. So 8 sides, okay? Front jump and back jump is 1 side. We do 8 of them. Ground day. Keep your leg at 90 degrees. You cannot lower than 90 when you do the jump. And leg up, inside the leg. Go. And go. Jump high. Give more push on the floor. Good. Good. Very good. Go up. Beautiful. Almost done. One more side. Good. And finish that. Thank you. Keep your leg high. This is very important. Okay, ground day. Right now we do same thing side by side. Okay, side. 1 hold 2. 3 hold 4. Keep your leg to an 90 degree. Ready, everybody? Come on. Same music. And go. Other side. 1 side. Go. 2nd time. 3rd time right now. 4th time right now. 5th time right now. Keep it like high. And go up. 6. 7 times. Last times. Everybody just follow me. Put the bar front. Get away from bar. And up. And twist. Over. And arm up front. And other side. Open arm twist. And up. 10 inches. And forward. Hold your foot. Just let it go. Don't move. Stay. Let it go. Right now, give a plie. And up. Give it a plie. And up. Right now. Keep it like together. Right away. And down. Right away. And down. Right away. And down. Last time. And the first patient. Right away. And down. Right away. 2 more. 1 more. Right now, circle foot. And plie. circle high. Other side, circle foot. Pretty in, circle high. Other side, holding one to the side. Stay. And up. Other side, holding one side. Stay. And up. Hunting to the side. Round and round. Take a bow. Other side. And bow. Thank you very much. You finished the class today.